Hi everybody, welcome to the garage, and it is nighttime out, and this is a great opportunity for me to make a video for you that lets me check out how the new microphone is that I've just come across from Ulanzi. See how that works. Also to show you these new LED bulbs that my friends at AUXITO sent me for the rear taillights of my 2011 Jeep Wrangler JKU. And I thought, why not make a pretty simple video on just how to replace the bulbs in the taillights of these Jeep Wranglers, because at least for the 2007 to 2018 models, it is really simple, and these AUXITO bulbs should be a lot brighter than what's in there right now. So let's go take a look. Now before we get started, I want to show you what the current bulbs look like that are installed. First I'll show you just the brake lights, and then I'll show you the reverse lights. And now I'll bring up a light meter and show you the screen recording of first the brake lights, and then the reverse lights. Jeep made it really easy to replace these bulbs. All you need to do is remove the two screws on the inboard side of the housing for the tail lamp. Just need a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove those screws and then gently wiggle and pull the taillight assembly away from the body of the Jeep. If you need to remove the entire tail lamp assembly, there's just one big electrical connector here you need to disconnect, and then you can replace the tail lamp or install a LED or whatever else kind of tail lamp you want to do. There's a lot of aftermarkets out there. To replace the bulbs, the first thing you need to do is just take the connector and twist it 90 degrees, even less, 45 degrees. It just comes loose, and then you can pull it out of the tail lamp assembly, and that is what it looks like with the old original halogen bulb. To remove the bulb, either because the filament is broken or you just don't like it and you want to replace it with a new LED that's much brighter, all you need to do is hold on to the connector with one hand, the bulb with the other hand, and give it a steady pull. You'll need to put a little bit of muscle into it. It's a pretty tight connection. So like I said, these are AUXITO LED bulbs, the link in the video description. These are type 3157 or 3057, and these are white in color. And you install them the same way that you remove the old one, just pushing it in, make sure it's firmly seated. And for these LEDs, it doesn't matter, there's not a polarity side that you need to worry about. Just go ahead and plug them in, just like the old one was installed. And then simply line the connector back up with the tail light, give it that 45-degree turn to make it tight, and you are all done. Before I go install this in for the tail light or the brake light, just want to show you what the LEDs look like. So this one's a red colored one, but you see all the LEDs around the barrel. There's some in the center as well. You've got a lens on the end. So when these light up, it's going to be really bright, and like I said, these will be red. So we should see quite a bit of a difference from the before and after. But installing this is exactly the same, just on the other end of the tail lamp. You just rotate it out 45 degrees, pull the old bulb out, put the new bulb in. Reinstalling the tail light is exactly the same as removing it. Just gently put the tail light back up into the body, and then put those two screws in, get them tight, and you are done. I have replaced all of the bulbs now, so let's go ahead and light them up. First, we'll take a look at the LED brake lights, and then the LED reverse lights. And now let's go ahead and look at them with the light meter. First, the brake lights, and then the reverse light. And that is it. I'm really impressed with these new bulbs. These LEDs are great. You saw the intensity just about doubled, or a little more than doubled from the standard halogen bulbs. It's a lot brighter with these LED bulbs. They are really easy to replace. Hopefully the video is helpful from that perspective on how to replace your bulbs if they ever die on you. And if you like these bulbs, check out the link in the video description. You can get them directly from that link, and or anything else on their website. I've got a promo code or a discount code to help you out with any price issues you might have. And then also, if you have any comments or questions in general, or comments on this audio, it's the first time I'm using these new microphones. So I'll leave a link in the video description for them as well if you like them. They're not expensive, and hooks right into your iPhone, and might be a great thing for you if you're making content like me and don't have a gajillion dollars to invest in a whole bunch of video support equipment. But regardless, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Lots of good content out there. Some of the easy preventative maintenance and some of the more challenging things as well. Until that next video, y'all take care and have a good one.